Welcome back to Camera Lab, where I help you find smart tech deals without the guesswork. Today, I'm breaking down the top 11 best camera bundle deals that give you more value for your money, whether you're just starting out or upgrading your gear. These bundles include essential lenses, accessories, and extras that can save you serious cash. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right into the list. Canon Rebel Dual Lens Kit. I always recommend the Canon Rebel Dual Lens Kit for beginners who want flexibility right out of the box. You get two versatile lenses that cover wide-angle shots and zoom photography, making it easy to shoot landscapes, portraits, and everyday moments. The camera delivers sharp images with natural colors, and the controls feel intuitive even if you're new to DSLRs. I like how lightweight it feels, which makes it comfortable for long shooting sessions. The bundle usually includes helpful accessories like a memory card and carrying case, saving you extra purchases. Autofocus is reliable, and video quality is solid for casual creators. If you want a dependable starter camera with room to grow, this bundle offers great value, creative freedom, and Canon's trusted image quality in one convenient package. Sony a7 III Pro Camera Bundle. The Sony a7 III Pro Camera Bundle is a powerhouse that I absolutely love for both photography and video. Its full-frame sensor delivers stunning detail, excellent low light performance, and beautiful dynamic range. I'm a big fan of the fast, accurate autofocus that tracks subjects effortlessly. This bundle typically includes pro-level accessories that make it ready for serious work right away. The build feels solid, yet it's still comfortable to use handheld. Video shooters will appreciate the sharp 4K footage and strong color profiles. Battery life is also impressive for a mirrorless camera. If you're looking for a professional-grade setup that handles almost any shooting situation, this bundle is an investment that truly delivers performance, reliability, and creative flexibility. Nikon D850 Pro DSLR Bundle. The Nikon D850 Pro DSLR bundle is all about uncompromising image quality. I'm always impressed by its high-resolution sensor, which captures incredible detail for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The camera feels rugged and well-built, perfect for demanding shoots. Autofocus is fast and accurate, even with moving subjects. This bundle usually comes with essential accessories that make it easier to start shooting professionally right away. I also like the optical viewfinder, which gives a clear, natural shooting experience. Video performance is strong, with sharp results and good control options. If you want a professional DSLR that excels in detail, durability, and overall performance, this bundle is a top-tier choice worth considering. The Sony a6400 Camera Bundle. The Sony a6400 Camera Bundle is one of my favorite options for creators who want speed and portability. It features lightning-fast autofocus with excellent subject tracking, which is perfect for action, vlogging, and everyday shooting. I really like how compact and lightweight it is without feeling cheap. Image quality is sharp and video recording is crisp with reliable color output. This bundle often includes useful accessories that make it a complete starter or upgrade kit. The flip-up screen is great for self-shooting and content creation. If you're looking for a versatile mirrorless camera that performs well for both photos and videos, this bundle offers excellent value and creative potential. Canon Rebel SL1 Dual Lens. The Canon Rebel SL1 Dual Lens Bundle is ideal if you want DSLR quality in a smaller, lighter body. I appreciate how comfortable it feels, especially for beginners or travelers. The two-lens setup gives you flexibility for wide shots and zoom photography without extra cost. Image quality is clean and reliable, with Canon's natural color science. The controls are easy to learn, making it less intimidating for new users. This bundle often includes basic accessories that help you get started right away. While it's compact, it still delivers solid performance for photos and casual video. If portability and simplicity matter to you, this bundle is a smart, affordable choice. Sony a7 R5 Pro Bundle. The Sony a7R5 Pro bundle is designed for creators who demand extreme detail and advanced technology. I'm blown away by its high-resolution sensor, which produces incredibly sharp images. Autofocus performance is next level, especially for portraits and wildlife. The camera feels premium and packed with professional features. This bundle usually includes high-quality accessories that complement its advanced capabilities. Video quality is excellent, with strong color depth and flexibility. It's not a beginner camera, but for professionals and serious enthusiasts, it's a dream setup. If you want cutting-edge performance and unmatched image resolution, this bundle delivers exceptional results across photography and video projects. Sony ZV-E10 Camera Bundle. The Sony ZV-E10 Camera Bundle is perfect for vloggers and content creators. I love how lightweight and user-friendly it feels, while still delivering excellent image quality. The autofocus is fast and reliable, especially for face tracking. Video quality is sharp, and the camera handles different lighting conditions well. This bundle often includes creator-focused accessories that make filming easier right away. The flip-out screen and good audio support are huge pluses. It's also versatile enough for photography, which I really appreciate. If you want a camera built with creators in mind that doesn't feel overwhelming, this bundle offers great value and performance. Sony a6100 Pro Camera Bundle. The Sony a6100 Pro Camera Bundle is a solid all-around option that balances performance and affordability. I like its fast autofocus system, which makes capturing moving subjects much easier. Image quality is sharp, and colors look great straight out of the camera. The compact design makes it easy to carry for travel or daily shooting. This bundle usually includes useful accessories that add extra value. Video performance is reliable for casual creators and beginners. While it lacks some advanced features, it still delivers consistent results. If you want a dependable mirrorless camera bundle that covers both photography and video needs, this is a practical choice. Sony a6400 Body Camera Bundle. The Sony a6400 Body Camera Bundle is great if you already have lenses or want more control over your setup. I appreciate the same fast autofocus and strong performance the a6400 is known for. The camera feels durable and responsive, making it reliable for daily use. Image and video quality remain impressive in a compact form. This bundle often includes essential accessories that enhance usability. The flip-up screen is perfect for self-recording and creative angles. If you're upgrading from an older camera or building a custom kit, this bundle gives you flexibility without sacrificing performance or quality. Canon Rebel T7 DSLR Bundle. The Canon Rebel T7 DSLR bundle is a classic beginner-friendly option that I still recommend. It delivers dependable image quality with simple, easy-to-use controls. I like how comfortable the grip feels, especially during longer shoots. The bundle usually includes helpful accessories, making it a great value for newcomers. Autofocus is straightforward and works well for everyday photography. Video is basic but usable for casual content. This camera is ideal for learning photography fundamentals without feeling overwhelmed. If you want an affordable, reliable DSLR bundle to start your photography journey, the Rebel T7 remains a solid and trusted choice. Instax Wide 400 Camera Bundle. The Instax Wide 400 Camera Bundle is all about instant fun and creativity. I love how this camera delivers large, vibrant, instant prints that are perfect for parties, events, and scrapbooking. It's incredibly easy to use, with simple controls and fast printing. The wide format captures more of the scene, making group shots look fantastic. This bundle often includes film packs and accessories, so you can start shooting right away. There's something special about holding a physical photo moments after taking it. If you enjoy tangible memories and creative photography, this bundle is a refreshing change from digital cameras. It's playful, social, and perfect for sharing moments instantly. That wraps up today's camera bundle roundup, and I hope this guide helped you narrow down your options. Each of these cameras offers something unique, whether you're just starting out or upgrading your setup. Remember, the right camera is the one that fits your style and how you love to shoot. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up because it really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Camera Lab and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and comparisons. Check the links below for pricing and details, and I'll see you in the next one.